Okay, ignition test number 1, 29 Desoto. Ignition on, starter press. And it's running. And it's idling fairly well. Accelerate. Pretty sweet. What I had to do, this balancing screw here was a finicky little thing. According to the carb king, you back it out 1 full turn. I haven't tuned this carburetor up or rebuilt it yet with the kit that I'm getting from him. But I did have to back it out 2 full turns to get it to be balanced correctly and not burn gas like it had been. Now this fuel pump, this vacuum Stewart fuel pump, for some reason was giving me a problem. What I ended up doing is disconnecting the line to the gas tank and blowing compressed air in it. I then blew some compressed air right into the connector at the top of the Stewart vacuum. We popped this whole thing up just a little bit, but I wanted to just blow anything out. Once I did that, with the carburetor tuned, it seems to be running beautifully. Now, the fuel filter seems to be filling up again. I'm not really sure about that. I'm keeping my eye on that because at some points it's very low and a trickle feeds down from the fuel pump. But it does seem to change as the car accelerates. So maybe that's supposed to happen by design. I don't know yet. I am keeping my eye on it. It does definitely appear to be sucking fuel out of the tank though. So this thing here seems to be, after a rebuild and a recorking, does definitely seem to be working. So, with the Carb King's help and with the help of other people on this forum, 29 Desoto is effectively running and starts. And I think I may take it out today for a test drive down to the bus stop. Okay, that's it for now. See ya.